Good morning, my name is Charles Suarez. I am law student. Everyone in our class knows Jose. He's the most popular student, and it's easy to understand why. Jose is tall and athletic, with the short dark hair and a bright smile. He's always wearing a short coats and he has a cool and relaxed style. His favorite school subjects are English and math, and he is also good at history. Jose is that captain of the school football team. He loves short. Bye bye.